This is Mrs. Gilbert, the reading specialist at Londonderry Elementary School. This video is part of a series about the different animal reading strategies you can use to encourage your child to take action when solving an unknown word. The strategy I'm going to show you is called Stretchy Snake. When a child uses Stretchy Snake, we want him to slowly stretch each letter sound to make the word, such as sh, I, p, ship. Let's read some pages from Dr. Seuss's Hop on Pop. I'm going to use the Stretchy Snake strategy when reading the large printed words on each page. Up, up, p, up, pup. Pup is up. K, up, cup. P, up, pup. Pup in cup. P, up, pup. K, up, cup. Cup on pup. Red, red. Ned, Ned. Ted, Ted. And ed, ed. In bed, bed. Now I'm going to reread. Red, Ned, Ted, and Ed in bed. At, pat. At, cat. Pat sat on cat. At, pat. At, bat. Pat sat on bat. Up, hop. P, up, pop. We like to hop. We like to hop on top of pop. Stop, stop. You must, must, not hop on pop. Good. Now I'm going to reread the sentence. You must not hop on pop. And that's how you can encourage your child to use the Stretchy Snake reading strategy to solve unknown words.